Let's now come to oral communication. Ask the students to role play the dialogue. Page of the book is 17, and students' learning outcome is number 3. I'll just read out the dialogue. A dialogue you understand, and you can also tell the students that a dialogue means a conversation between two or more people. Urdu में इसको कहते हैं मुकालमा. Rayan, Assalamu alaikum. Subhan, Walaikum assalam. Rayan, how are you? Subhan, I'm fine, thank you. Rayan, how was the poem today? Subhan, it was good, Alhamdulillah. Rayan, I also liked it very much. Subhan, we should always say Alhamdulillah. Rayan, oh yes, we should always praise Allah.